Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Engine Blueprints video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss how to create a project in Unreal Engine. We understand how to create new projects in Unreal Engine. So let's get started. I double click on Unreal Engine shortcut available at the desktop. Under new project categories, I select games, then I say next. Unreal Engine provides wide variety of project templates to start with, guys. For example, if I want to create first person shooter game, then I select first person template. If I want to create third person shooter game, then I select third person template. If I want to create side scroller game, then I select side scroller template. If I want to create vehicle based game, then I select vehicle project template, guys. I want to create a blank project, so I select blank template. Blank template creates a clean empty project with no code, guys. Then I click on next button. Under project settings, I select project type blueprint. If you want to create C++ project, then select C++. As we are interested in learning blueprints, I select project type blueprint. Next, target hardware, desktop or console. If you are targeting your project for low-end devices like mobile or tablet, then select mobile or tablet. I select here desktop or console, guys. Next, graphics quality, I select maximum quality. If you are targeting your project for low-end devices like mobile or tablet, then select scalable 3D or 2D. I select here maximum quality. Next, starter content. If you want to add starter content to your project, then say with starter content. I don't want to add any starter content to my project, so I say here no starter content. I don't want to calculate any high quality lighting effects and shadow effects, so real-time ray tracing disabled. Ray tracing disabled, guys. Next, we select the location to save the project. Location I leave at the desktop. Then the project name we have to give. I give the project name here Blueprints Tutorial, and then I click on the create project button, guys. You can see that it is creating the project. You can see Blueprints Tutorial project is open. I click on double arrow button, click on the play button. Once we click on the play button, now we are in the play mode, and you can see that we don't find any character here, but we can definitely navigate around the scene, guys. Using the mouse, we can look around. I press the W key to move forward, S key to move backward, A key to move left, D key to move right. We can look around the scene using the mouse, guys. So like that, we can navigate around. I press the escape key to come out of the play mode. So like that, we create new project, new blank project in Unreal Engine, guys. I close this project. Let's create one more project. I double click on Unreal Engine shortcut available at the desktop. Under new project categories, I select games. Then I click on next button. This time I select first person template. Then I say next. Under project settings, I select project type blueprint, target hardware, desktop or console, graphics quality, maximum quality, starter content, no starter content, ray tracing disabled, project location desktop. Then I give the project name. I say FPS project, first person shooter project. I click on create project button. You can see that it is creating the project. You can see FPS project is open. I click on double arrow button, click on the play button. Now you see first person character, guys. I click here to shoot. We can navigate around, right? We can jump like that. So different project template gives you different features. I press the escape key to come out of the play mode, guys. I close this project also. Let's create one more project. I double click on Unreal Engine shortcut. Under new project categories, I select games. Then I say next. This time I select third person template. I say next. I leave project settings to default, project location desktop, and then I give the project name TPS project. That means third person shooter project. I click on create project button. You can see that TPS project is open. I click on double arrow button, click on the play button. Now we see third person character, guys. We can navigate around the scene, right? We can jump using the mouse. We can look around, right? So different project template gives you different features so that you can create different kinds of games or different kinds of project, guys. I press escape key to come out of the play mode. I close this project. I hope you guys have clearly understood how to create new project in Unreal Engine. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. I suggest you people to Try all these things whatever I explained. I also suggest you to explore more project templates. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about blueprints. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.